Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to put an area code to your phone numbers. In this case I'm going to put a Kenyan area code. So if you try and put the area code directly 254 enter, you get this error and this is not what we want. So what one can do, you need to come to the fx function, you choose the concatenate function. So depending on whether you want to put a plus on your phone number or not, so for instance we can put a plus for this example. Okay, and then we put, and then the third text should be the cell in which your first number is in, and there you go, you get the phone number having the area code. So to save time to get the phone numbers of all these numbers having the area code, you can double click and there you go, each number has been transformed. So also if you don't want your phone numbers to have the plus, you can still go to the function concatenate, press OK. So for here we are not going to put the plus sign, and there we go. The second text should be always the cell in which your phone number is in, and then you press OK. There you go, you have the phone numbers. Depending on what you want, first of all we should delete this column because it was a trial. So whether you want to be left with the one with a plus or the one with doesn't have a plus sign, for me I'll be left with this one. So you can delete or hide, but I'll just delete it. So I'm left with this one. So there's no way I can be left with similar numbers. They're similar, it's only that this one has a 2 plus 54, that is the code. So I'm going to hide. Since you can delete it, because the E column comes from the D column, so you should never delete the column in which the phone numbers are. So there you go, you can name this one as phone number. There you go, looking pretty well. Thank you for watching.